In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a table from Confluence quickly and easily. Whether you're preparing a report, sharing data with your team, or organizing information for a presentation, knowing how to export tables saves a lot of time. Start by opening your browser and heading to confluence.log in with your account, or sign up if you're new. Once you're inside, the key step is installing a table exporter. Because Confluence does not include built-in table exporting by default. To do this, go to the Atlassian Marketplace and search for a table exporter app. A commonly used option is the table exporter and formatter for Confluence Cloud. Install the app so it integrates directly into your workspace. After installation, go to the Confluence page containing the table you want to export. At the top of the page, open the More Actions menu. This is the 3 dots icon that reveals additional options. You should now see an Export Table option provided by the app you installed. Select it and you'll be asked to choose the format you want. You can export as CSV, XLSX or PDF. CSV works well for spreadsheets and database tools. XLSX is ideal for Excel and PDF is perfect if you need a clean, non-editable version to share. Once you choose your format, click the download option. Confluence will prepare the file and save it to your computer automatically. And just like that, your table is exported and ready to use anywhere you need it. That's all it takes, a fast and reliable way to export tables from Confluence. Enjoy organizing your data with ease.